So today I'm gonna do a property inspection on this new property, and this is actually not a foreclosure, but this is a property where the company buys it from the homeowners and leases it back to them, and once they move out, they sell the property. But this house needs a lot of repairs. Most of the siding here in the front is all rot. So it's the front sides, both left and right. I mean, you can see up there, there's tons of wood rot, damaged siding. Got a window unit on this side, but all this siding needs to be replaced. Lots of wood rot here. Now it does have the original windows. There's more wood rot right here. You got wood rot here. There's 6 total windows in this house that are gonna have to be either repaired or replaced if they can repair them. They've got busted seals. This is a 2-story. It's a 4-bedroom, and the AC unit actually does work and does blow cold air, which is nice. But we just had a humongous rainstorm, and you can see there's a lot of water pulling up. You can see in the front, you can't even get to the street without walking through the water. But this is the back of the house. Now the back of the house is hardy plank, so it could actually just be pressure washed and painted. There's a couple pieces that need to be replaced there for those windows. But you can see these windows right here have the busted seals with condensation's gotten inside them, so those are toast. This roof is not gonna pass either. I mean, it's probably the original. I'll have to check permits. I don't think it's ever been permitted, but it doesn't look new, even though it is a dimensional shingle roof. And you've got the neighbor there that doesn't keep up that house at all. So you've got a little utility room out here, out back that has, it does have a newer hot water heater. So 2 positives, newer hot water heater, and the AC blows very cold air. It's all copper, it's on circuit breakers. So none of that's an issue. Got a nice back door. But here's the living room area, and you can see they were in the middle of replacing the floor, but of course didn't finish. You got some damage right there on the bottom. None of that's finished. It's got a nice fireplace. Looks like they were going to paint it. So this is the really only living room you have in this house. I'll go ahead and show you. Here's the door going out to that little patio here on the side. You do have a bathroom here. There's no shower or tub in it, but just a half bath, toilet and sink. And you got inside laundry. There's more water stains. So the kitchen's kind of in front of the house. It has a little breakfast nook. I mean, it's just dated. I mean, these cabinets they're atrocious. Countertops, cabinets, all this needs to be replaced, redone. Flooring's not bad, but it looks like they put some mismatched pieces in there. There's no door there below the sink. Kitchen really needs to be gutted and redone, updated. So the master bedroom is here on the bottom floor, which is nice. But you can tell, once again, this room needs paint. Now, I would say the flooring in this room is in pretty good shape. I don't see any issues except right here, but for the most part, the master bedroom flooring is pretty good. Does have a walk-in closet, and here's the master bathroom. I mean, for the most part, it's pretty good. Not too bad. I mean, it definitely needs to be updated, but And these 3 windows right here are ruined. They all have busted seals. All right, well, that's the master. So you got 1 bedroom, 1 full bath downstairs. Got your living room. Actually, you have a half bath too. You got your kitchen. Then upstairs, you can see all this carpeting. It's got to be replaced. All new paint. You've got a bedroom on this side. There's no closet. Well, I guess there is a closet. If you wanted to put some racks in here, then you would have 2 closets. It does have a lot of storage space. All these open up, and there's tons of storage behind these walls. But they've got a window unit in this room also, even though it does have air ducts. More damage there on the molding, casing. I mean, here's your upstairs bathroom. There's only 1 upstairs bath, and it has a skylight, and you can see some mildew and mold forming. And there's no telling how long this property has sat before the AC was turned on, so that could be the reason. But this is the bath. I mean, nothing special, but I mean, you can get away with the tile floors. Not bad. And you have nothing here but a little nook with a window looking out. You've got another bedroom right here. Not a bad size room, but I mean, this floor could probably be okay, but definitely it's gonna have to be painted. I mean, the whole house is gonna have to be painted for sure. And here's the last 4th bedroom. Same thing as the other side. It needs paint. You got a lot of storage. It's got a closet, better closet than this one. And you've got this little nook area here. And behind here is the AC handler. Looks kind of old, but I know one thing, it is blowing nice cold air. There's more storage. I mean, the amount of repairs this house needs, including a roof and all the siding work in the front and sides of the house, plus the paint on the outside, plus paint on the interior, all new flooring here, because this flooring's all screwed up. I mean, they just about ruined it. There's a spot right there on the ceiling. Yeah, this one's gonna take a good bit of money to fix it up nice. I mean, these houses are selling. One just sold in the street for $330-something thousand. Yeah, you can't even get to the mailbox. I mean, we did have a couple inches of rain though, and it was kind of unexpected and pretty quick, but you can see you got a good bit of water sitting up here. So yeah, the front of this roof looks really bad. And you can see all the wood rot up there on those dormers. And I'm pretty sure most of this house is probably original. That's why it's got all the wood rot and stuff. But supposedly this seller fixes up their properties and tries to get them, you know, tip-top shape or as best shape as they can, but I don't know about this one. This might need to go as is because there's a lot of work in this one that needs to be done. And this is not the kind of work a bank needs to be doing too. I mean, because they're going to have to do a lot. Paint is going to be expensive just because of the amount of paint this thing needs. All right, well, there it is, Fort Walton Beach. I mean, it's really close to Herbert Field. It does need a good bit of work. All right, well, I'll do another video when I find out and see what happens, see if they're gonna fix it up, what they end up doing with it. If they just list it as is or what. But as always, I appreciate it. Thanks and have a great day.